Hey, what's up guys, TJ here, and today we're going to do a little bit of a unboxing slash build here. We are going to call this segment Camera Builds. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know if that's cheesy or not, but I wanted to do some segments on just putting together different camera setups. Right now I just bought a monitor, a free world monitor, which of course you guys know I love buying bargain stuff that pretty much does the job. I'm pretty much okay with anything that gets the job done. And basically what I need right now is a nice setup that will allow me to see a little bit larger screen size than what's on the back of here, and that's what this allows me to do, but also is a good way to be able to travel with, to be able to you know, just be able to do things running gun style. I have a monitor already, but it kind of sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it right now. This is the monitor that I have currently, and it is so trash. Like, it's from many years ago. So in its defense, it is an Aperture monitor, and you know, Aperture is known for their lights, and I've had this for a long time. It does some weird things. It doesn't have a volume control. It makes this weird sound after a while. So I was overdue for a new monitor. And this thing is just too big and bulky to bring around with me everywhere. Look at these little ports back here. No one uses these anymore. It's usually just HDMI or SDI. So I decided to get a new monitor. Anyway, I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money, so I got this free world monitor, and let's unbox it right now. There we go. Cool thing about this thing is it comes with a case. So this is the case inside of here. This thing was about 140 bucks, something like that, off of Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description box below for you guys. But this is a nice carrying case, so you can just throw this thing in the carrying case and just take it with you everywhere. I like that. It has a little clip on the back here. This is definitely worth it. This didn't come with a carrying case. It comes with HDMI cords, so you have a HDMI cord to micro HDMI, which I will not use, at least right now. And then you have a HDMI to mini HDMI in here, which I will not use either because I have another one that I like. And then inside of here you have some more goodies. So you have a little hood here to keep all of the light from just hitting the screen and you can't see anything. And you also have this bracket. Now this bracket was something that kind of really turned me on to this. Like, I was like, I love this bracket. I love how it's made. It just seems very simple and easy to allow you to angle it and just swivel the monitor in any way you want to. Most of the ones that I've seen come with those little ball head like swivel things, and they are terrible. And here is what we've been waiting for. This is the monitor. Let's throw this away. I gotta clean all this up, so I don't know why I'm just throwing stuff away like that. Anyway, here's the monitor. It's much smaller than this monitor over here, but that's exactly what I want. I want something that's nice and small that also is bigger than my screen here, much bigger than that. Allows you to see like what you're shooting and just get a better feel of what it's going to look like on a larger screen. It's compact enough to take around anywhere I want to. So I love it. I love it. So it has multiple HDMI outputs. So one there, one there. It has your DC power right there, and then back here you can put some Sony batteries or some Canon batteries back here. It's rated for Sony like LP or something like that. I don't know, it's in the manual somewhere, I don't know where it's at. But it also has multiple mounts. So you have a mount here at the top, you have a mount on the side, and then you have a mount at the bottom. So that's super clutch. Also has a headphone jack down here, and you also have a USB upgrade. Also up here you have all your little controls, your left and right control, up and down. You have your menu button over here, and you also have these two little custom settings here that you can toggle to at any time you want to. So we're gonna put this together. Let's put on this hood first, just because I like the hood on it. Nice Velcro hood. Comes in handy. That's what it looks like with the hood on. Pretty cool. And then you just take this and just tighten it on here. Actually, I think I need to loosen it up first, and then I can tighten it. There's a spacer here, and there we go. It just wasn't allowing me to twist it. So tightening it on. There we go. And that spacer allows you to tighten it into any position that you want it to be in. So that is super clutch. And then I got my Canon 7D here that I'm going to mount it onto. Mount it right onto that. Bam. All right, so I have this HDMI to HDMI mini, and I'm going to plug this into the HDMI port back here. And then I'm going to plug it into the HDMI port down here. HDMI out. That's in there. And I feel like this setup is just something that just gives you a better view of what you're trying to film. A lot of times just trying to film something on the small screen just doesn't do it for you. It's just not enough to give you give you a good indication of what's going to look like on a big screen. So almost fell there. All right, so I have this Sony battery here that I bought. Is this a Sony battery? It's an MP-F960/F970. I don't know how it can be both at the same time. But anyway, that just mounts right in here. And just slide it in. Bam. There you go. Now I have power for days with this thing. This is a thicker version of that battery, so it has double, almost triple the battery life. And power button on. You see we have a little bit. There we go. We can see what we're doing. I'm gonna turn this on. There we go. See the logo just pop up there. And let's get some power to my camera. And then you see that view there. This is what you got. This is your view here. I feel like it's a decent sized monitor. It allows you to see everything you need to see. When you go through the menu options, there are menu options in here to get the screen to fit or match what you want it to look like. So I found that something that was really helpful was to get rid of majority of your information. Like, so if you have information up there on your screen, it will make it smaller. So the more information is up there. So just hit your info button and kind of toggle through that to get rid of all of the extra information. And just use like the monitor's histogram. If you use the histogram, you can use the histogram from the monitor. If you don't trust that, then just keep your histogram up from your camera. But that allows me to get a full screen view of what I'm filming. I could also put up the grid lines. So this is my new running gun setup for filmmaking and just making sure I get some good shots with this monitor. So I like it. It's small, it's compact. The screen is large enough for me to view what I need to view. And the quality of this free world monitor is pretty top notch, man. I like it for its price. It's pretty amazing. So if you guys have any questions about this, my next setup is going to be this on the Ronin S. So this is a quick setup, but we probably will do more camera builds like this in the future. So we'll keep going and making bigger and better setups. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you have any questions about the free world monitor or just camera builds in general, let's talk. See you in the comments. See you in the next video.